It's the little things in life, isn't it? In this lesson, I'm going to give you way more than you ever expected. No matter where you are on your journey, this is a real simple little practice idea for you. I'm going to talk about separating the hands a little bit. Do some things with your right hand every day and focus on your right hand. I mean, put your eyes on your pick and try to make your pick motion really small as you pick each string. How about some down and ups as well? Watch your pick. Make your motion efficient and smooth. Now try that on each string. You can even mute. Why don't you just mute your strings? If you don't know how to do that, why don't you just mute your strings right now? Just touch your strings lightly. Try to do this with a nice, smooth, even tempo and use your metronome to help you do that. Even try some string skipping. How about some alternate picking, string skipping? Let's take a look at the left hand. There's so many things we want our left hand to be able to do. We want our left hand to be able to play chords easily. You can look at a chord chart and just put your fingers. Why don't you try that now? Just put your fingers on some of your common chords like E and A and B7. If you find that some of them are a little bit more difficult, this is a great drill because we're not focused on the sound at all. It's just about mobility. Just getting your right hand and your left hand to do some of the things that it's going to need to do to play great guitar. Go over some of your chords. For you advanced players, try your scales. You can just put your fingers where they belong to play whatever scale you're working on. I'm not focused on whether or not it sounds good. I'm just focused on getting mobility. That way you can try to go really, really fast with exercises like the 4-finger exercise. You know, one of the reasons we do this is to help our fingers gain mobility. And so if you're getting hung up on the sound, maybe you need to work on mobility a little bit and just strengthen up your fingers. So move your fingers really fast on all your exercises that you do. Scales, drills. That's right, accuracy is not as important because we're not listening, we're just getting some mobility. We'll work on the accuracy later, okay? Just a few minutes each day focusing on your right hand and your left hand can give you the finger mobility that you need to speed up and play better guitar. People just like you are learning to read music with our Discovery program. It's a little different these days, so we encourage you to support our channel. If you get help from these videos, please visit the links in the description. Even $1 means the world to us. Thank you so much. I really hope this helps you. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell so you don't miss all the fun stuff that we put out. I love you and I'll see you in the next video. Go practice now.
Man, if someone was telling me that when I was learning guitar, that helped me a bunch, man. Just focusing on...
What do you think, man? You think they're going to like our video?
I think so, man. I hope so.
I mean, should we even post it?
Let's do it.
It's good stuff, right?
Definitely is. I mean, you got to focus on the hands to isolate them. It's huge, huge benefits. I mean, huge. Anyone who does that for a week,
have some more,
twice
man.
The player they are right now. Twice the player.
We got to fix that candy machine, man. It's giving too much.
Oh, no. Reel's broken.
Oh, you're rolling.
Whoop.
We're teaching you how to read music through drills like these and regular progress checks. Take a look at this sample.